I'm Kartini Kannan and you are watching Cooking with Kartini Kannan. Today we will be looking at a very simple eggplant chutney. Eggplant is also known as aubergine. For this chutney we will be using ginger, garlic, onions, some curry leaves, aubergine and coriander, and I will also be using curd for a sour tang. If you are a vegan, you can easily replace the curd with coconut curd or even coconut milk to give it the silky rich mouthfeel in this chutney. Do you want to know how to make this simple chutney? Come, follow me into the kitchen and we'll prepare it. Making this eggplant chutney is really very simple. The ingredients for it will be definitely eggplant. So these types of eggplants, what I've done is I've cut 2 of them and then just slightly sauteed them in some oil until they are soft. We also need ginger, garlic, onions, curry leaves and some coriander. For a sour tang to the chutney, I'll be using some yogurt, plain yogurt. So first in a pan I'll pour in some gingerly oil or what is known as nallanai. Into that oil I'm going to saute the curry leaves, ginger, garlic and also onions until they are softened. Once they are softened, I will add in some salt and also the aubergine that I have sauteed just now. Right at the end, I will be adding in some curd and then we will just mash it in the pan and our chutney will be ready. So now that the onions, garlic and ginger have been sauteing with the coriander, I am adding in my aubergine. All you have to do is mash it up in the pan itself. I am also going to be adding in a little bit of salt. So finally when we cut off the heat, we will be adding in some curd for the sour tang. So now actually the aubergine is already pre-cooked. We can already off the heat and add in some curd. Give it a stir and our chutney is ready. Now our eggplant chutney is ready. I am going to be plating it. Finally, just a drop of yogurt on top to add an extra tang and also flavor. Our delicious eggplant chutney is ready. It's so simple to make. Within minutes you can prepare an easy chutney that goes well with rotis, with chapatis or any dish of your choice. I do hope you try this simple eggplant chutney at home. For more interesting recipes, please subscribe to my channel Cooking with Kartini Kannan. I'm Kartini Kannan.